चर्चा पे आप सभी का स्वागत है और मेरा नाम है खुशबू सेठ, चाय पे चर्चा के टॉक शो की होस्ट। और आज हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं सागर तेलरकर और उसका हम स्वागत करते हैं और कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करेंगे क्योंकि वो जश्न टैलेंट शो के 3rd मेगा विनर है। सागर जी, वेलकम टू आवर शो।
Yes.
So how are you feeling after winning the 3rd mega winner of Jashn Talent Show?
तो जब मैंने रजिस्टर किया था, so I got to know about Justne Talent through a reel.
Okay.
And like I use Instagram a lot because Instagram से ही I deliver my songs and that's where I get my audience from. So when I saw the reel, I was like, मुझे participate करना है. At least if I don't win, I will participate. And when I got to the auditions, I met you in the same studio, Dadar में, and we had the audition.
Yes.
And after the audition, I got the call that I'm selected for the finals. And I was like, ठीक है, final में आ गए हैं, अब let's just perform. If you don't win, that's fine. But then I was the 3rd winner. So yes, I feel extremely happy and grateful to Justne Talent for this opportunity.
Okay, and you have won the 3rd placement और आप rapping में जीते हो. So how
Yes.
this rap songs and all came to your life?
So it is a very interesting story. I did not actually start as a rapper. I started as a poet, as a shair.
Okay.
And मैं poetries लिखता था social issues के ऊपर. For example, rape, corruption and all of that. But then I realized that poetry, rap, shairi, all of them are same. Rap, R-A-P, basically stands for rhythm and poetry.
Poetry.
So I was like, okay, let's give a try for
Yeah.
rap. And then I started doing rapping. And yes, things kept falling at places. And I started rapping actually in 2018.
Okay.
But after that, I stopped because of COVID. But फिर after COVID, अभी recently I started rapping back in February 2023.
Okay.
उसके बाद से फिर ये जर्नी चलती आ रही है. I have been participating in competitions and ऐसे 2-3 जगह पे पहले गया था before Justne Talent. And वहाँ पे भी like I was able to secure the 2nd and 1st positions.
Okay, wow, very nice.
So I got the push, I got the motivation which I needed.
हाँ.
And yes, that's where I started my journey and this is where I am sitting right now.
Okay, as you told you, आप बहुत अच्छा लिखते हो, शायरी करते हो, तो on
Yes.
what language, कौन सी language में आप लिखते हो और कौन से topic के ऊपर लिखते हो? Because writing is also a vast
Yes,
subject.
yes, yes. So my writings basically mostly are in Hindi and English, but I sometimes try other languages like Marathi, French also because मैंने 5 साल French पढ़ा है from my 8th standard to 12th standard. But apart from that, most of my writings are in English and Hindi.
हिंदी. Okay, आप कौन से subject पे ज़्यादा लिखते हो?
See, rapping is something where there doesn't need to have a particular subject. So I just take a pen in my hand and write whatever I feel.
Okay.
And that's about it. But when I feel that I should write on particular topics, so I do. So I have songs on rape culture, I have songs on corruption, then I have songs on various social issues like
Okay, the
extremism.
topic आप जो ले रहे हो बहुत ही social issues के related
Yes,
है and everybody
yes.
should have a concern related to it.
Exactly.
And सभी को इसी बात पे गौर भी करना चाहिए and बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण subject है.
Yes.
So आपका future में अभी आप क्या करना चाहते हो? Because you do many things, you have a lots of talent in you. And education wise,
Yeah.
what you have done?
So education wise, right now I still am studying.
Okay.
Right now I'm pursuing my Bachelor's of Arts in Political Science.
Oh.
And मैं third year में हूँ. So this is going to be my graduation year.
Okay.
After that, then I'm planning to do UPSC.
हाँ.
अगर UPSC successful होता है,
हाँ.
तो I would want to become a IFS officer,
Okay.
Indian
Yes.
Foreign Service.
Yes.
And if not that, if this plan doesn't work out, then I'm thinking for LLB. I'll do law.
Okay.
Yes.
So
but
your plan is like very much okay, this I'm going to do. And what about
Yeah.
your writing skill and rapping
see,
skill? ये
so
सारे.
about my writing skills, about all of my creative things, I have kept it aside. Like aside in the sense, I'm studying. In the same place, I have this whole creative things. And at the same place, I have my sports. At the same place, I have my NGO. So like I have a lot of fields to go. But my primary focus would be on UPSC because obviously it is academics.
Obviously.
But with that, I'm not going to stop rapping, writing and everything. Yeah.
Okay. And as you spoke right now, we have an NGO. We would like to know
Yes.
about
So
it.
I don't own the NGO, but I have been functioning in a lot of NGOs.
Associate with that. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So there are a lot of NGOs. One of them is Divine Foundation, which works for unprivileged, underprivileged children and women for basically development. And there I work as a teacher.
Okay.
Then secondly, I have been volunteering with this NGO called as Akshara Center, which basically works for women empowerment and spreading awareness among the youth for gender equality. And the third NGO that I'm associated with is Divine Foundation, Akshara Center. Cut.
Okay, no worries. No worries.
नाम भूल गया.
Continue.
It's okay, sir. Continue.
So yes, Akshara Center, Divine Foundation. Then there is one more NGO called as UNI.
Okay.
UNI is also basically a teaching NGO where I go every weekends and volunteer for underprivileged children who need help in their academics.
Okay, wow. So you have many things in your list, and
Yes.
you are doing lots of creative as well as education things with it. So you are even very sure about what you are looking forward कि आपको ये educations में आगे बढ़ना है. So what suggestion do you give to the today's youth के how you manage all these things?
So obviously it is very difficult to manage, and you need to know how to manage things.
Yeah.
What the problem with this youth is, हमको पता है हमको क्या करना है,
हाँ.
पर हम वो करते नहीं है.
Yes.
We do one thing, हम एक चीज चालू कर देते फिर छोड़ देते हैं.
हाँ.
That is वही चीज नहीं करनी है. Like
हाँ.
if you are starting something, pursue it.
हाँ.
For example, मैंने रैप करना चालू किया था. I stopped rapping बीच में, but now I came back to it because I know I love it, and
हाँ.
that is somewhat my passion.
So you
So-
should continue your passion.
Yes, follow your passion, listen to your heart, and don't listen about what others are telling about you. Because that is the main problem these days कि मेरे बारे में ये क्या सोचेगा, मेरे बारे में वो क्या बोलेंगे.
हम हर किसी को खुश
Exactly.
नहीं कर सकते.
Exactly, तो खुद को खुश करो.
हाँ.
So that is the motto that I live with.
Yeah,
that
that's true. खुद को खुश करो तो आपकी खुशी देख के सब खुश हो जाएंगे. And when we are happy, तो we try to make other happy.
Exactly, and when you are positive yourself,
Yeah.
अब जब हम खुद सकारात्मक होते हैं,
हाँ.
तो हमारे आसपास का
Positive.
environment भी positive होता है.
Yeah, positive.
Yes, so this is one more problem with our generation that all of
हाँ.
us are very negative.
Yeah.
कि what if मैंने ये किया तो क्या होगा? But तुम नहीं करोगे तो anyway you don't have,
हाँ.
you're not getting any results.
Yes. That's
So
true.
yeah, failing is okay, but at least try.
Yeah. What you say, many in the life have failed. Even we as an artist sometimes have failed. In education, sometimes we are back behind few marks and all that thing.
Yeah.
So what do you think? आपको failure ज़्यादा सिखाता है क्या success? Because success तो आपने अभी बहुत कर लिया है. कभी
Yeah,
ना
yeah.
कभी past में कुछ
Yes.
failure भी हुआ रहेगा. So what do you
Yes.
think comparison में कि क्या चीज़ हमें ज़्यादा सिखाती है?
I don't think there's anything such as success or failure.
हाँ.
It's either winning or learning.
हाँ.
And success and failure go hand in hand.
Yeah.
तो भले ही हम हारे या जीते से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It's all about the experience.
Yes.
I was, जैसे मैंने कहा, I've been rapping since 2018. But starting के years में I wasn't getting इतना success जितना I'm getting right now.
Okay. हाँ.
So it was after my break when I actually started going out,
So what do you
participating.
think and what you did in that break? कि क्या कुछ हुआ? मतलब you thought so कि I'm coming up with this thing, or you
Yeah.
told कि पहले से ज़्यादा मुझे अभी success मिल रहा है. So you anything you tried something, sometimes people say I had
Yeah.
talked to myself. I got a time in the COVID time कि मुझे अपने आप से बात करने का मौका मिला और मुझे नई invention करने का मौका मिला. So what do you think that is there for you?
Yeah, so just like you said, COVID में time मिला.
हाँ.
I got time to myself, space for myself, and I knew कि okay, Sagar, this is what you need to do. This, and you will do this ऐसे and ऐसे.
हाँ.
So like I had a proper plan in my mind.
हाँ.
Like I told you about UPSC.
Yeah.
I know what I'm going to do next. Even if it fails, I know what backups I have.
Okay.
So like I have everything planned.
Planned.
वैसे ही it's same about my may it be my rapping skills, may it be the NGOs or anything. I already have a lot of things planned in my head.
Yeah. And you have all the plan A, B, or C.
Yes, and also one more thing is that we need to be open for changes.
Yeah.
We cannot be like अब मेरे पास plan set है तो अगर fail हो गया तो अब क्या?
हाँ.
No, that's not life. See, life will always give you a lot of changes.
Changes. Yes.
You need to be ready to take the changes.
Yeah.
So that's the motto I live with कि ठीक है मुश्किलें आएंगी
हाँ.
पर मुश्किलों से हारना नहीं है, मुश्किलों को हराना है.
हराना है. I feel like a positive vibration around me. एक ऑरा हो गया है और दर्शकों को भी ऐसा
Yeah.
पॉजिटिवनेस मिला रहेगा कि नहीं मुझे भी ये करना है. एंड आई एम श्योर दैट आपका ये चाय पे चर्चा का एपिसोड देख के बहुत सारे जन रहेंगे जिनकी लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ रह गया होगा. दे विल लुक फॉरवर्ड इट. सो यू वांट टू गिव देम सम टैगलाइंस और कुछ बताना है आपको उनको?
सो टैगलाइन जैसे हमारे जश्न टैलेंट का टैगलाइन है अब हुनर बोलेगा.
हाँ.
सो मैंने अपने रैप में एक लाइन इंक्लूड की थी.
हाँ.
खड़ा मैं खुद से जश्न टैलेंट का ये मंच, भले रहो मैं शांत, हुनर मेरा ये बोलेगा. So even if you lose, even if you fall down, just don't give up and let your talent speak for yourself.
Yes. तो वेरी नाइस सागर, आपके साथ ये चाय पे चर्चा का एपिसोड मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा और हमारे ऑडियंस को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा. So thank you so much
You're
for
welcome,
coming
ma'am.
over
Thank you so
here.
much for calling me.
It's our pleasure. And thank you दर्शकों, हम मिलते हैं अगले शुक्रवार को 5 बजे.